Who says black is only for big houses? Today I'll prove that your small living room can look as classy as a luxury apartment in Paris with the right techniques, so make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on other classy design inspiration from IkiGriya.
Hello IkiGriya friends! Many people hesitate to use black because they're afraid it will make the room feel cramped or dark. But today, I'll show you the secret, how to transform a standard living room into a luxurious and deep space with just the right touch of black. Let's explore how to bring world-class aesthetics into our homes. The problem is, we often think black makes us feel stuffy, especially if our ceilings aren't very high. However, if we know the technique, black can actually provide the illusion of dimension, making a room feel more alive and less boring. Welcome to IkiGriya. Here, we're not just about decorating, but about creating spaces that tell stories and inspire serenity. I believe that every corner of our home is a reflection of our life's journey. Through the small details, from our color choices to the textures we touch, we are building a legacy of comfort. Today, let's rediscover the beauty within our homes. Before we get into the first secret, I'm curious. Who here has been really wanting to use black in their home for a long time but has been hesitant because they're afraid the room will feel stuffy? Tell us in the comments what your biggest fear is, and we'll discuss solutions later. First tip, don't paint the entire wall right away. Use the 10% rule. Choose one element as the main star, for example, a large bookshelf or a window frame. Black in this limited area acts like a frame on a painting. It emphasizes the beauty without dominating the entire room. So, we've already discussed the 10% portion. But in your opinion, between the walls, window frames, or furniture, which part would you be bravest to paint black for the first time? Type your choice below. I'd love to know which element is the favorite of IkiGriya viewers. Second, play with texture. Black has many faces.
There's the warm black of wood, the bold black of metal, or the soft black of velvet. Mixing different black materials will make a room feel luxurious and layered, not just a flat or dull color. Speaking of texture, do you prefer a modern-looking matte black or a slightly glossy, satin, black that feels more luxurious? Let me know below, because your choice of material will greatly determine the atmosphere you want to create in the room. The final secret is lighting. In areas with black accents, ensure there's reflection. Use a large mirror or warm white lights in the corners of the room. This light will dance across the black surfaces and create a very comfortable and exclusive atmosphere at night. Hopefully, these tips inspire you to be more daring with dark colors. Don't forget to also watch my video on how to use a black palette in a small apartment without making it feel cramped for more in-depth inspiration. So, don't be afraid of black anymore. Start small and see how your home transforms. Which part of your home would you like to try painting black first? Let me know in the comments. I'm waiting for your transformation stories. Thank you for spending time with me today. Remember that creating your dream home is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy every little change you make. If you enjoyed this aesthetic journey, let's stay connected. Subscribe to become part of the IkiGriya community, and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video, where we'll once again celebrate the beauty behind every door.